Introducing the 2022 Audi Q5 50 Tfsi e Quattro SE in stunning blue. This luxurious SUV boasts a 2-litre petrol plug-in hybrid electric engine, automatic transmission, and a plethora of features for your comfort, convenience, and safety. With ABS, collision avoidance braking, and multiple airbags, you'll feel secure on the road. The chrome package, roof rails, and spoiler add a touch of style. Plus, with an anti-corrosion warranty, powertrain warranty, and more, you can drive worry-free. Our vehicle undergoes a full health and safety check, serviced to manufacturer spec, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie today to learn more.